So hello friends, in this video let us see about the injection hydrocortisone which is used in acute exacerbation of asthma and commonly in anaphylaxis cases. So the dose of hydrocortisone in asthma acute exacerbation, the loading dose is 10 mg per kg stat and maximum we can give 250 mg per dose. That means maximum for we can give dose for 25 kg, that is 250 mg per dose, and the maintenance dose after loading dose is 5 mg per kg every 6 hourly. And we have to change to oral prednisolone as soon as patient accepts orally. So prednisolone is available in oral form, so we should change to prednisolone as early as possible. Then in cases of anaphylaxis, the dose is 5 mg per kg per dose, just like the maintenance dose of asthma. And it can be used in other conditions other than anaphylaxis and acute asthma, such as adrenocortical insufficiency, inflammation, tendonitis. For example, the weight of the child is 10 kg. Then 5 loading anaphylaxis dose will be 5 mg per kg, that is 5 into 10, which will be equal to 50 mg. And you can see here, this is the vial of hydrocortisone. This is the hydrocortisone and it is available in 100 mg form, and it is clearly written here that each vial contains 100 mg. Each vial contains 100 mg. So we have to dissolve, and this is the sterile water which is provided along with this vial. So we have to dissolve. For example, we have to give 50 mg. So we have to dissolve one vial with 2 ml NS, and we have to take 1 ml of it. That is, out of 100 we are removing 1 ml, that is 50 mg. And we have to again further dilute it in 9 ml NS as to make it and make it as 10 ml, and we have to give slow push for 10 minutes. So this was all about injection hydrocortisone, which is commonly used in anaphylaxis cases and in acute exacerbation of asthma in pediatric ward. Thank you.